In what ways can incorporating rosemary influence weight loss? Weight loss is a goal for many people, and finding natural ways to support this journey is always a plus. According to recent statistics, nearly 42% of adults in the United States are considered obese, and many are seeking effective methods to shed excess pounds. While diet and exercise are the foundations of weight loss, incorporating certain herbs like rosemary into your routine can also make a difference. Rosemary, a fragrant herb commonly used in cooking, has properties that may help support your weight loss efforts in various ways. Let's explore how rosemary can influence weight loss and help you achieve your health goals. Watch until the end for tips on how to incorporate rosemary into your diet. How rosemary facilitates weight loss. 1. Boosts metabolism. One of the key ways rosemary can influence weight loss is by boosting your metabolism. Rosemary contains compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which have been shown to increase metabolic rate. A faster metabolism means your body burns calories more efficiently, even when you're at rest. By incorporating rosemary into your diet, you may be able to enhance your body's ability to burn fat, which can contribute to weight loss over time. 2. Aids digestion. Good digestion is essential for weight loss, and rosemary can play a role in supporting your digestive health. Rosemary has been used for centuries to relieve digestive issues such as bloating, indigestion, and gas. By improving digestion, rosemary helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively and eliminates waste more efficiently. This can prevent the buildup of toxins and excess fat in your body, making it easier to lose weight and maintain a healthy weight. 3. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is often linked to weight gain and obesity. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body. By lowering inflammation, rosemary helps create a healthier internal environment, which can make it easier to lose weight. Reducing inflammation can also alleviate joint pain and discomfort, making it easier to stay active and engage in regular exercise, which is crucial for weight loss. 4. Curbs appetite. Another way rosemary can support weight loss is by helping to curb your appetite. Rosemary has been found to have mild appetite-suppressing effects, which can help you eat less and reduce your overall calorie intake. By incorporating rosemary into your meals, you may find it easier to resist cravings and avoid overeating, both of which are important for losing weight. 5. Improves blood sugar control. Managing blood sugar levels is essential for weight loss, especially for those who struggle with insulin resistance or diabetes. Rosemary has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity. When your blood sugar levels are stable, you're less likely to experience energy crashes and sugar cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan and lose weight. 6. Enhances detoxification. Rosemary has natural detoxifying properties that can help cleanse your body of toxins. A clean, toxin-free body functions more efficiently and is better able to process nutrients and burn fat. By supporting your liver's detoxification processes, rosemary helps your body eliminate waste products that can slow down your metabolism and contribute to weight gain. How to incorporate rosemary into your diet. Incorporating rosemary into your diet is easy and can be done in various ways. Here are some simple tips. 1. Season your meals. Add fresh or dried rosemary to your cooking. It pairs well with meats, roasted vegetables, soups, and stews. 2. Herbal tea. Brew a cup of rosemary tea by steeping fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water. This can be a soothing drink that supports digestion and metabolism. 3. Smoothies. Add a small amount of fresh rosemary to your smoothies for a herbal twist and added health benefits. 4. Infused water. Make rosemary-infused water by adding a few sprigs of fresh rosemary to a pitcher of water. Let it sit for a few hours to allow the flavors to blend. Incorporating rosemary into your diet can influence weight loss in several ways, from boosting metabolism and aiding digestion to reducing inflammation and curbing appetite. This versatile herb not only adds flavor to your meals, but also offers a range of health benefits that can support your weight loss journey. Whether you sprinkle it on your food, brew it into a tea, or add it to a smoothie, rosemary is a simple and natural way to enhance your efforts to lose weight and improve your overall health. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel for more similar content.